We've just gone through how to process an order for a test by a walk-in patient, but orders can also come from the main GoodMedico app when a clinic orders a lab test for a patient. Let me now walk you through how to process those. Usually orders that comes from the clinic will often show up under clinic orders in the lab menu. Click on clinic orders. This will open an order list. As you can see, we have 2 new clinic orders that came in. Let's process the first one. When the order drops into our lab's clinic order, its status will first show as pending. You can accept it or reject it. Because we'll work on it, I'll click accept. When you accept, the status will change to accept. Automatically, the server syncs the order into lab management system. The system will create or finds the patient, create a lab order with source clinic, and adds the test as an order item. This means once you've accepted it, it'll move to order page. Now we need to go to the order page to process it further. Open orders page from the menu. On the orders page, you'll see the new order with the purple clinic order badge. If you notice, the status here says paid. Usually with every clinic order, payment is already considered done. So the order is created in paid status. From here, the workflow is the same as before. Add specimen, then in specimen tracking, mark collected, receive, and so on. Enter results on the orders, and in the results page, sign and verify, and sign and release the result. When every result is released, a database trigger automatically marks the lab order as completed. Go back to clinic order. On the clinic order detail page, click the order card. It'll open LIMS workflow for you. Look at your right, you'll see the LIMS card, which contains the order number and status as completed. Below the status is this blue button that says Auto Upload Results PDF. This is what it will say if no results file has been uploaded yet. And in the Actions section, it will say Start Processing. All you have to do here is first click Start Processing in the Actions section. Then click Auto Upload Results PDF. Blue button in the LIMS workflow section. The server will generate the same lab report PDF, uploads it to storage via the medical API, and updates the clinic order to results uploaded as can be seen in the progress bar. If you look at the uploaded results section, you will notice that the result document has been automatically generated and uploaded. By taking this last step, the clinic and patient can see the report. To recap, for clinic orders, accepting clinic orders. Order appears in LIMS with the purple clinic order badge. Run the normal LIMS workflow. When all results are released, the order auto-completes. Then use Auto Upload Results PDF to send the report back to the clinic. The doctor who requested the test from the clinic will now see it, review and approve it. Then he can close the test workflow. But for us here, we've finished our part. It's that easy. As a summary, you can create order on orders or accept a clinic order in clinic orders so that it syncs into the LIMS with the purple clinic order badge. Mark paid if it wasn't a clinic order, add specimen. Then in specimen tracking, mark collected and receive. Enter result, sign and verify, sign and release. Optionally amend if there is a reason to. For clinic orders, when the LIMS order is completed, use Auto Upload Results PDF on the clinic order detail to send the report back to the clinic. We've just gone through how to process an order for tests that comes from the main GoodMedico app when a clinic orders a lab test for a patient. In the next video, we will walk you through how to process online orders. Like and subscribe to our channel for more GoodMedico lab and clinic tutorials. See you in the next video.